Good day, everyone. I am Anjali V. Lungkob, and I am going to report about the general concepts of traffic control. Before we start, let us know first the purpose of these general concepts of traffic control. Control purpose. It is to assign the right of way to drivers and thus to facilitate highway safety by ensuring the orderly and predictable movement of all traffic on highways. Control is achieved by traffic signals, signs, and markings. The more complex maneuver area, the greater the need for a properly designed traffic control system. See Manual of Uniform Traffic Control Devices for guidelines for suitability of a particular control type. Road traffic control. At the broadest level, road traffic control includes the layout of streets to serve a variety of travel needs in a region. So highways or expressways carry through traffic at high speed. Arterial streets carry traffic within and across urban areas. So when we say arterial streets, it's designed to carry volumes of motorized traffic. So these arterial streets designed for the benefit of the city as a whole, rather than the communities through they pass. So this traffic control may help. It is not a substitute for adequate provision of transportation supply. Traffic elements. Road traffic control at its most elemental level is achieved through the use of a system of signs, signals, and markings. When we say signs, inform roads users of traffic laws and regulation, which if disregarded, will constitute an offense. So we're very familiar with these signs, so dili na ni siya bago sa atong mga pananaw. For example, one way, stop, U-turn, workers ahead, speed limit. So dili na ni siya bago sa ato kay nakita ni nato siya sa mga commercial or even highways. Next is signals. Are devices placed along, beside or above a roadway to guide, warn, and regulate the flow of traffic. This red signal light means stop. Yellow signal light warns you that the red signal is about to appear. So pag nakita nato ang yellow light, dapat mo stop ta. But if we can't stop, let us be watchful enough the intersection when the light changes to avoid road accidents. A green light means go, but you must first let any vehicles, bicycles, or pedestrian remaining in the intersection get through before you move ahead. Naasad siya ginatawag na traffic signal blackout. If all traffic signal lights are not working because of an electrical power failure, sumao na nang all the traffic enforcer will take over. Next is markings. Bare roads will lead to total confusion. Markings are painted on the road to direct, guide, and regulate the road users. So these markings such as lines, patterns, words, and colors applied in the road surface is naa na siya purpose tanan. Kaya wala pa ng mga markings, grabe kalibog ang dalan, and there's a possibility na magdinasmagay pa ang mga vehicles sa commercial o labi na sa highways if walay marks ang way. Next is traffic signals and signage. Due to the conflicting traffic movements, roadway intersections are a source of great concern to traffic engineers. Intersections can be a major source of crashes and vehicle delays. So here are some of traffic signs. First is deer crossing signs. So deer crossing sign alerts drivers to areas where the population of deer is active and may enter the roadway. Next is emergency vehicle warning sign. So drivers should also refrain from pulling over in these areas to keep it clear for emergency vehicles to pull in and out of the station. Next is keep right sign. Another is men at work signs, no bicycle signs, no U-turn signs, pedestrian crossing signs, speed limit signs, stop signs, and yield signs. So this yield sign symbol is often used with pedestrian crossing signs, where it is the state law to yield to pedestrian in the crosswalk. They can also be found in the street crossing signs. Knowing these popular traffic signs and their meanings is a vital part of being a safe driver, bicyclist, and pedestrian. The number one reason for traffic control system is to ensure the safety of those around or in traffic. A roadway system without traffic controls, more accidents and more injuries. Without direction, the roadway would become much more dangerous. Thank you for watching.